Today, we're delving into the transformative world of 3D printing and scanning, a tool reshaping the way we approach STEM learning. Let's explore how these technologies turn learning into an adventure. Imagine holding the blueprint of life, a DNA strand in your hands, or exploring the human heart like never before. With 3D printing, students can construct, deconstruct, and deeply understand complex biological structures. It's about bringing the textbook into the real world, making abstract concepts tangible and interactive. Science is not just to be read about, it's to be experienced. Through 3D printing, we can custom design apparatus for experiments that test the limits of physics, understand the principles of design, and even launch a student-crafted rocket to explore the fundamentals of aerodynamics. It's here that hypotheses are challenged and learning becomes a dynamic process. History is no longer a story of the past. It's a tactile experience. 3D scanning and printing allow us to recreate artifacts and architectural marvels, offering students a bridge to the past. This hands-on approach enriches the learning experience and fosters a deeper appreciation for ancient civilizations. The process of testing, learning, and iterating is where the true magic of learning happens.